on the answers. We'll visit with them next.
Something else a lot of folks are looking forward to is coming up this weekend. The best of the best. They'll be taking part in a science fair, and it may just blow your socks off with what some of these kids are coming up with. Joining us now with details, our science fair participant, Vinitha Ramesh. She's a 7th grader at Rolling Hills Middle School, and Leroy Trippett with the Science Fair Foundation. Thank you for joining us.
Our pleasure.
Leroy, this is quite impressive. Just give us a quick overview of the science fair itself.
So this is the premier science competition for this region. Intel is one of the many sponsors that puts on this fair, gives high school and junior high school students the opportunity to show their excellent innovations and their science competition, their science projects, and these winners will then get to go on to the Granddaddy Fair, the Intel International Science Engineering Fair in Reno.
And we, just judging from a few of the things you guys have today, no doubt there'll be some winners from this one.
Oh, definitely.
Vinitha, can you tell us what you did? Your project is called Unplug for Green. Can you share that with us?
Yeah, it's basically how you can make a positive impact on global warming by unplugging your electrical appliances when not in use.
Okay.
And for example, air fresheners, you know, most people have them, you can like plug it in.
Uh-huh.
So one air freshener can consume up to 0.02 kilowatts in 24 hours.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's like 3.25 pounds of carbon dioxide emission per year.
Wow. So what made you come up with your Unplug for Green idea? Were you kind of thinking about it and thought, hey, we could do better?
Well, I was on the internet looking for ways to go green, and one of them was unplug your appliances.
Okay.
So I didn't know what that meant because, you know, like, you turn it off, you save power, but when it's still plugged in, it still wastes power.
Okay.
So I wanted to look into that.
And Leroy, remind us again, we can hear more about the Unplug for Green when the science fair is for folks that want to check it out.
The science fair setup will be on Friday, but the main competition will be on Saturday, this Saturday at Rosemont High School. All-day competition with judging and the award ceremony beginning around 4 in the evening.
Leroy, Vinitha, thank you so much. Guy's
Thank
been
you.
hovering nearby with another
Love
science fair
hovering.
project. Hey, Guy.
I have definitely been hovering. You know, joining me now, joint science fair participants Jacob Dawson and Will Block, 8th graders from California Middle School who are working on a hovercraft. Now, this is something that you guys are entering into the competition. Is that correct?
Yes.
Wow. Now, how long did it take you guys to come up with this, and how did you come up with it? How did you decide on this?
Well, I was looking on the internet, you know, for a science fair project, and this looked simple, easy, and fun. So.
Yeah, definitely fun. You know what? I think I did something with dry ice, and that was like about it when I was in middle school, so it wasn't as exciting as this. I'd love to do something like this. Now, you were telling me earlier that a round hovercraft does better than a square one.
Yes.
Yes. Is there a reason for that?
Basically, it's just because the plywood, or the larger amount of plywood, the more air it takes to lift.
Okay.
So,
I see. Okay. Smaller space. Can we see you demonstrate it?
all right.
Sure thing.
Okay. Whoa, look at that. Oh, it's liftoff.
That doesn't look good.
Now remember, you don't want to make Vinitha mad. You want to unplug that after you're done playing with it, right?
Yep.
Okay, so you guys are going to enter this. Come on back here.
Right.
You guys are going to enter this in the competition this weekend, and you'll have to let us know how you do, because that's pretty cool. And you said you could ride this?
Yes, we have.
Okay. Will it work one more time, or is it working?
I'm not sure. Let's see.
Let's see. Here we go. We're going to try it. Whoa, that is pretty darn cool. All right. We're going to go for a ride right now, so while we do that, I'm going to toss it back on over to Melissa.
Hey, we're riding high. That's very cool with the